Ever wondered how many keywords you should use while optimizing your content for SEO? Keywords are pivotal in SEO, acting as a game changer for website visibility. But remember, striking the right balance is key. Overstuffing or underutilizing can both lead to subpar results. So what's the magic number then? The truth is, there isn't a one-size-fits-all answer to this question. The optimal number of keywords can depend on various factors, like the length of your content, the topic, and how competitive the keywords are. Generally, a keyword density of 1 to 2% is seen as good practice. Companies like Authority Solutions leverage this strategy to deliver top-tier SEO services. Remember, the goal is to appear natural and relevant. Overstuffing your content with keywords can lead to penalties from search engines. Now that you know the secret, it's time to put it into action. Apply these tips the next time you're working on your SEO. But remember, while keywords matter, never compromise on the quality and readability of your content. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more such tips. Here's to better SEO.